how to connect Irig HDX to your iPhone in order to use Amplitude so you can get sound not only through your headphones but also to your amp. Okay, so with the Irig HDX, we're going to connect your guitar, which is right here. You're going to use this cable, connect right into, see the little guitar icon right there. And then you're going to have another cable that goes into the little amp icon right here, which is this cable. And then I also have headphones right here so I can monitor my sound. And then you want to use the cable that came with the Irig HDX, because if you use another cable it may not work. All right, so you can see right now nothing is happening. So what we want to do is going to just turn on the phone, and you can see that it lights up. It's blue. And then if I play the guitar a little bit, it's connected, but I'm still not getting any sound either on my headphones or my amp. So what we want to do is we want to launch Amplitude. So let's do that right now. Okay, so we are now in Amplitude, and it's already powering the guitar, and sounds coming out from my headphones. If I play, I can hear it on my headphones and I can hear it in the amp. So this is with Amplitude on, and I can change my effects right there to any way that I want to. I can also change my cap to get different sounds, and then we also have some pedals as well. But yeah, let me connect this, and I'll start playing something so you can hear what it sounds like coming out of the amp, and we'll also record a little something as well. Irig HDX is now connected to the iPhone via its cable. There it is, and now it's connected right there. And I'm going to plug in, and we're going to play some guitar. My amp is in that direction. I have Amplitude connected. By the way, when you launch it for the first time, it's going to ask you to give permission to use the mic or the external mic. So you want to allow permissions, otherwise you're not going to get any sound. And make sure you use the cable that came with the Irig HDX. All right, so let's just let's turn on the volume and let's hear what it sounds like. Okay, so that's regular distortion. I'll make sure that you have your effects turned off on your amp. So I have the clean channel on, so we're getting the distortion directly from the app right here. And we can also use some effects. Let's turn on the delay pedal here. Let's play some delay effects. Might be a little bit too low, so you can always just dial that back if it's too much. Well, you get the idea, but there you go. Irig connected and coming right out of my amp. So I hope that answers some of the questions, and I'll have more tutorials like this. Be sure to check out my other video where I show you how to set this up.